Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Yarn. Let's crochet this cute dumpling. Pull the yarn around your fingers, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is called magic ring. Insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is called single crochet. We should make 6 single crochet into our magic ring like this. After 6 single crochet, pull the yarn and close our magic ring. Insert your hook into the first single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through. This is called slip stitch. Chain 1, make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. This is called increase. In this row we should make increases. 6 increase total. In the end of each row we should make slip stitch like this. Insert your hook into the first single crochet, yarn over and pull through. Chain 1 single crochet in same stitch, next stitch 2 single crochet into the same stitch or increase. Next stitch 1 single crochet, again next stitch 2 single crochet into the same stitch or increase. Row 4, chain 1 single crochet in same stitch, next stitch 1 single crochet, next stitch 2 single crochet or increase. Follow this pattern for this row. Next row, chain 1 single crochet, next stitch 1 single crochet, again next stitch 1 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and next stitch increase or 2 single crochet in same stitch. Next row, chain 1, we should make 4 single crochets, next stitch 1 single crochet, next stitch again 1 single crochet and again 1 single crochet, next stitch increase. Next row, 1 single crochet, we should make 5 single crochet and after that 1 increase or 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Follow this pattern for this row and just fold it in half. Chain 3, 1 2 3, yarn over, insert your hook in these 2 stitches, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is called double crochet. We should make 3 double crochet into the same stitch. Next stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into stitches, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. This is called half double crochet. We should make 3 half double crochet into the same stitch. And follow this pattern, 3 double crochet and next stitch 3 half double crochet. And just fill your work and in the end, chain 3 and insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. And chain 1, tie the yarn and tie it and use your needle and sew it and fasten off like this, as you can see. And just cut it. And I just glue the eyes. And we should sew our smile with your needle like this. Yeah, we crochet it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.